yeah, this is it, man. This is DJ from Vera, powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. We are busy diagnosing VW Golf 7 GTI 2-liter, baby, TSI. Oh yeah, this is it, man. Mr. Panic, what are you saying?
It's going down.
Eh?
Going down, baby. It's going down.
This car is overheating now. Just wanna see something. Just wanna see if this thing is still working, baby. Hit it up, Mr. Panic. Yeah. As you can see, it is going back, baby. It's opening now. You can see you have got the sun here.
This is where you see God. And this car, this is where you see God. This car takes you to heaven. This is Elias' car. It flies by planes, baby. The maximum speed for this car is 280. If you reach that speed and look up to heaven, baby, you don't come back. You are going straight for God.
Hello guys, in this episode we are going to work on VW Golf 7 GTI TSI. This VW Golf 7, it have got a problem of overheating every time, and it was not kicking the radiator fan on time. So stay tuned as we are going to work on it.
The diagnostic machine, it is on 87. This is a real-time data coolant temperature, and as you can see, it is on 87. Okay, now the car it is on 100, but the fan here it's not on. So this is it, baby. Stay tuned. This is VW Golf 7 GTI, baby, TSI. This is it, man, 2-liter. Now the temperature on our diagnostic machine, it is 107. Here it's not moving. It is still on 90. Okay. As you can see, this car is overheating now. You see now. Temperature Goriminia. Okay, you see the water is boiling. As you can see at the dashboard here, it is still showing that the car is on 90. 106. It is going down because we just turn on the AC, and it is not normal like this. Here it's not moving. It is still on 90. But on the diagnostic machine, now it's 92. It will go down 91, 90, 89, 83. It is going down because we just turn on the AC. As you can see, the AC is on now. So this is it, man. This is VW GTI Golf 7, baby.
What's happening now? The AC is on. Now the radiator fan is rotating. So someone is telling the computer box the lie here. As for now, let's assume there's faulty temperature switch going on here. There's one of the temperature switch sending the wrong signal.
is it, man. This is DJ from Better Youth, powered by Panic Mechanic, baby. Yeah, as we are busy diagnosing the VW Golf 7 GTI 2-liter, baby. This is it, man. This car, it have got lies, baby. It is lying too much, this one. We just came to the conclusion right now. Then the temperature on the diagnostic machine, it is reaching at 107. But the radiator fan does not kick. This car, the temperature, it is reaching 107 on the diagnostic machine. But on the dashboard there, it is still showing 90. So it is not normal. And when it is on 107, the radiator fan, it is not kicking. So meaning that someone is lying here. Someone is lying. The temperature switch, baby, it's lying. It's telling the wrong signal to the computer box, you know. So this is it, man. Now the radiator fan, it is kicking, as you can hear it. Now the radiator fan, it is on. This is it, man. This is VW Golf 7 GTI, baby. Yeah. This thing, it can fly, baby. This thing, it can fly. It can reach 100 kilometers within 6 seconds. Did you hear what I said? This is not GTI for nothing. It's not a plain child, this thing. As you can see, it have got two pipes. One on the left-hand side, one on the right-hand side. This is it, man. Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is DJ from Better Youth, powered by Panic Mechanic. There is things that I want you to understand. In Golf 7, in VW Golf 7 GTI 2-liter, you must change this serpentine V-belt. This one, you must change it regularly every time when you are doing the service. Also the water pump. You must change the water pump on 160,000 kilometers on GTI Golf 7. You don't do that, I'm telling you. You will tell me. Then there's this PCV valve. These PCV valves, you must change them on every 160,000 kilometers. When your car reaches 160,000 kilometers, you must change it. You don't change it, this car, it will cost you. It will cost you a lot of money. It will cost you your children's money. It will cost you your company's money. It will cost you, if you are a womanizer, it will cost you also that woman's money. I'm telling you, this is it, man. This is DJ from Better Youth, powered by Panic Mechanic. Also the timing chain. Timing chain set, you must change it 160,000 kilometers. Change the timing set. This is it, man.